CSG Actuarial has released a new feature on our agent quoting platform, and that's our document locker. Within the document locker, you can take an electronic scope of appointment. You can also securely store any other documents that you need to on this platform. So when you get into your document locker, you can add any of the different files that you want. So you can create new folders, whether you want to create a folder for all of your scope of appointments. Maybe you want to store any other documents on here. You can create those different folder names and also create subcategories on there. You can also upload any existing documents. So if you have scope of appointments or any other forms that are saved already on your computer and you want a safe and secure location to store all of those, you can also upload them on here as well. The main feature here that I'm going to show in this demo video is how to do an electronic scope of appointment. So from there, we'll just start by creating an electronic document. Any documents that I have yet to complete will also save on this platform. So earlier today, I started a scope for an individual. I have not completed it yet, so it is storing on my platform for me. But if I wanted to create a new scope of appointment form, I'll start that document. I'll give it a title. So in this example, I will just title it for the client's name and then maybe my date. Save and continue. I'm going to accept the terms of using the electronic form. It's first going to ask me whether or not I'm in the same physical location as the client. We do have a couple of different signature methods, whether that's the applicant providing identification information or an email signature link. I'll hit continue here. And then I'll start by going through this to see which products the consumer wants to discuss with me. In this case, we'll talk about Medicare Advantage and PDP plans. Go ahead and type in the individual's name and ask for their mother's maiden name and the last four of their social. City, state, and then zip code. And I will apply the e-signature, hit sign and continue. And then from there, we're going to then type in the agent's name, agent's phone number, the beneficiary's name, and their phone number, their address, and then the city, the state, and then the zip code. It's going to be a walk-in client, plans that we discussed, and the date of the appointment. Everything is good there. I can hit continue. As the agent, I am signing this. And now I have my electronic scope here. So I can go ahead and save it to my library. I can also preview that document here as well. Let's save to library. And now it is saved for my client. I can also preview this and I can also download it if need to. And then from there I can go ahead and drag this. And I can move this into my scope of appointments folder for Jane Smith and hit move. So now if I need to go back in, I can always find that scope of appointment within my scope of appointment. I had a subfolder for her, and here is where her documents are located. What's great about this feature as well is I can always search. So if I can't find a document or I do know the name of my client and I need to quickly find them, I can always search for my client this way as well. So if you have any questions about our new document locker, you can always give us a call directly or send us an email. We're always happy to answer any questions you may have.